Sigenergy CNI solution Silent Stack, and with the same modular design like we have inside the store, you can install our Silent Stack almost like everywhere in the industry area. Because compared to the traditional one, with our modular and setup design, you can even install this in very narrow ISO or even in the basement, because the whole installation process don't need any heavy tools. And each of the pack is 12 kilowatt hour, and in each pack we got the pack level 6-layer battery protection. For example, this demo shows how our protection works. For example, if the cells get something wrong, we got the decompression valve. It will automatically open to release the air, make the pressure down and make the battery work normally. And between each of the cells inside our battery, we got the temperature resistant insulated pad. That means if one of our cells gets wrong, it won't affect others because the insulated pad between each of the cells. And in each pack of our battery, we got the temperature and the smoke sensors. If they detect the problem, the fire extinguisher kit in each of the pack will automatically open to release the aerogel to distinguish the fire. And all of this protection is in each of the pack. And our solution is DC coupling. That means compared to the traditional one, you can spend much less for our solution. And combined with one of our CNI inverter here, the maximum battery storage can up to 215 kilowatt hour. And we got 3 different type of our CNI inverter, one for on and off grids, one for on grid, and one for PV only. And if you get 3 of our on and off grids inverter, and you also want the switch seamless between the grid and your battery, then you connect with our CNI gateway. This is our CNI gateway. You can using our gateway to connect with the battery or with the grid or even with a diesel generator. And our CNI gateway can also realize the 0 millisecond load side disruption. That means if you got the power off, your machine in the factory won't stop working. And this one is our PV only type CNI inverter. This year we just launched our new version of it. It's 115 kilowatt and 116 kilowatt.
Okay, so hello everyone. I would like to introduce you to Mr. Batu Wang, who is the channel director of Eastern Europe for Sigenergy. Batu.
Hello everyone, it's Batu from Sigenergy Eastern EU.
We are here in the Sigenergy factory, and I have a couple of questions that I would like to ask Batu. So the first question is, what in your opinion makes the Sigenergy products so special?
Okay, I think we are not just sell the hardware, we also sell intelligence. While the other vendors push the box, we put the brain inside our products. You can see this is our second store, the first one 5-in-1 all-in-one solution in the solar PV industry. And then we put PV inverter, PCS, EMS, DC charger, and the battery as one system. And it's a thin and whisper quiet and sleek design. It's more like a high-end furniture than the industry hardware. Yeah.
Thank you, Batu. The next question is, maybe our viewers will be interested in what it's like to work at Sigenergy. What is your experience?
I have to say, working in the Sigenergy is really like raiding a rocket, yeah, because we are going 150 times in the recent 2 years. And if you want stability, this is not for you. If you want to, let's say, work in cutting-edge AI technology and help power the global green transition, it is a paradise.
Okay, thank you so much, Batu.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Welcome to Sigenergy.